What's up, guys? Welcome back. A majestic stag. So I've drawn a stag sort of head before. Thought I'd try the full body now. So landscape page, use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause, we'll go too fast. Because it's full body, his head is like pretty small in here, so I'll probably have to zoom in for you. Right, and we'll go. And we'll start with the eye. Black eye. Curve it up. Sort of spike it out that way. It's a very sort of dark and spiky sort of eye in here. And we'll curve it around the bottom. Down into the corner there. Now if you want, you can give him a pupil, or you can color the whole thing black or brown. You know, it's kind of up to you. So you could just go with a black sort of dot in here. But, you know, it's personal preference. You could do the whole thing black, and you could color him, just put a white highlight or something on the eye if you wanted to do that either. It's very dark around here now. Might make it a bit darker. Why not? Kind of cooler when they're darker like this as well. Right, and then there's like a little sort of cheekbone sort of underneath. And then there is kind of a forehead frown sort of line. A big sort of eyebrow like that. And of course, no eyebrow. Well, it's just this dark sort of area, really. It's like a bit of an eyelid sort of line. There's like all wrinkles and stuff here. So the snout then sort of comes forward this way. And then this will go down to that sort of square nose that they have, right? So kind of goes flat across. And then it comes down. Then it comes around the front of his snout. That's flat across the top of his lip as well. So the color comes in, down. This way. Now the simplest thing to do with this is color it black. Or you could go dark gray and like add a nostril into it if you wanted. But I would recommend for this purposes of this, because we're not in like super close-up mode, I would say color it all black and it'll look pretty good. Okay, so like just below this, we get sort of his sort of mouth, I guess. It's like his lip, the way they join, and it's very dark. And it kind of like curves up in the corner. So he's got like a black circle here. Just there. And then his chin comes down, and this can be hairy, sort of, if you wanted it to be. It goes up that way. this starts to come down for his jaw. Do, 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 do. And then the jaw comes down here. Do, do, do. Right, so then his other eye, so like his brow sort of sticks out here, right? And then what we can see of his other eye, very little. It's just like dark here. Sort of eyelashes sticking out. Then his cheek in there. Right, and his forehead sort of comes up a bit longer then, up to where the antlers go. His ear sort of sticks out this way, down into there. And you get the inside of the ear. And then this will curve up to those parts of the antlers that kind of stick out of his head. Sort of around like that. Just some lines up his head and all this. So his other ear we can just see sticking out from behind his head here. Right, and we've got like a big neck, right? And we're going to go like real furry and sort of large, hairy sort of neck. So usually like a white sort of section in the middle of it. Okay, so we'll try the antlers now. So we'll go like up here, down. Now you could do these at like your own sort of way if you wanted. You don't have to do it exactly like me. Once you get this kind of like curl on them, the way they spiral around. So just spiking out at various points. Real big. And there's like, you know, lines coming down at all textures and stuff. And we'll try to do the other side. So it's not exactly the same on the other side, slightly different. So all coming out from here. Yeah. Sort of up. Then I think one spikes here. I think it touches another one. Alright, stay going. Stay moving, lads. Go up. Wrap around. Maybe add some texture lines and stuff. Kind of like that. Alrighty. So, try and get the body in. Big, muscular deer body. So we'll go down, right? And this, like, this is all still like fur sort of coming around his shoulder. It's like a mane. And then the back. So we get like a back shoulder blade, and then the dip down to his hind legs then. Just curves around the hind leg there. And then, so I think his tail just, you can see a little bit of the tail just sort of sticking out there. I think it goes down behind his legs. And then the front shoulder, pretty big there. And we have like sort of fur underneath the belly sort of portion. Kind of like just on his chest. Okay. So his shoulder, sort of big shoulder sort of here. And he actually has some fur on the shoulder as well. And then we'll go for just like a leg. So it's like top of his front legs. Okay. And then like the belly, before we get like the hooves and all that, we'll get like the main parts of his body. So the belly, and then like it's like connected to his hind leg sort of here. And then you can see like a bit more detail for the belly and his like rib cage and stuff like that. Just little lines that just show the form of it a bit. Do. Not bad. Okay. So we can see another leg in behind here, swooping down. I'm going to have him standing on rocks, right? So say these hind legs, you won't see all of them. So we'll just go down for these. So the rocks will kind of like cut that off. And then his front legs, you can see a bit more of those. You can see some of the hooves. So it comes down, you get this these black sort of hooves at the front. Right, and then like these knee joint, kind of like a horse, and then very thin. Just go down to his hooves at the bottom. Black curve on the top. Right, he's like a majestic sort of mountain stag, right? So I'm going to do some rocks just down here. So we'll just do these angled sort of lines, you know, with all textures on them and stuff. Moss and you know, like cracks are always a good one. There's like little branches of grass and things just down there. Just like little craggly little bits. Of course, you can do as much of this as you want. You can add a background, you can put mountains in the background and everything. You can do like a tree in the distance even. But we don't want to go too far. Keep it simple. So, hope it was helpful. A full body stag. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.